Isn't that beautiful? There's something so wrong, yet so right about an electric car destroying its rear tires for the goal of fun. We're back out at the Out of Spec Motoring test track to see just how much of this fun we can actually have with these two Tesla Model 3s. If you just want to see more footage like this, please subscribe. A future video will be just a montage of all this lovely drifty slidey shots that you're seeing now. We have two rear-wheel drive Model 3s, and we're going to see what it's like when we turn off all the stability control. I've brought my friend Brian from I1 Tesla to come and bring up his car, and we're going to teach him how to drift his Model 3. We're going to have a good day, so let's get to the fun stuff. So we're out in the Model 3 now that has everything turned on. I have it in the sportiest settings, slip start enabled, but we'll see how it...
Does slip start work on the track, or is it just for stuck in snow?
Well, it should allow a little bit higher wheel speed rotation, as well as maybe a little bit more slidiness, but I don't think much. So let me radio to our camera car, let them know that we're going to pass them. We're going to pass you on the right side for 1 second. There we go. So now let's see what slip start does, right? So we'll come in and we have stuff all in the car, but we'll just chuck it into a corner. And I'm floored right now, and it's cutting everything, right? So I lift off there to tuck it in, and full power, and it's cutting everything, right? So it's not letting us slide it, just understeering, and I'm floored. So that is the downside of this system. So ideally, if we're able to figure out how to turn off all stability control, we, on track, will get a little bit more neutral handling, allowing us to have more control over the car. But what we're really here for is to go sideways.
Yeah.
So we're now doing some fun trickery to the car. Brian's working on it. And this, in theory, should disable all the stability control so we can go drifting. Just pin it real quick.
Yeah.
Well, that works. Sick. All right, so that's no ABS. But we can drift it all day long if we want to. Look at this all day. You can do such big skids. Oh, this is so cool. Oh yeah, it has no idea where we are. It feels like so hard to turn the wheel there without power steering. Like, I'm almost nervous I can't correct it at speed. I hope you bolted that wheel down. Okay, now's a good time to ask, right?
Yeah. After this slides.
Yeah. Oh, this power steering is so heavy. Yeah. Should we drift this one? Alright. Let's just chuck it in power. Right to the edge. That's how you drift for camera.
Yeah.
It's so easy. You can do this all day long. Why aren't people drifting Model 3s more? Let's see if she'll lift off oversteer, okay? I don't think it will, but let's just find out. Oh yeah, it does. Absolutely. Look at that. Chucking it right in. And we'll... back down at the track. We did the magic to the car. Can I go drive now? That's what I call a good time. We're standing out in the middle of the track where we're going to shoot a couple more things for your viewing pleasure on drifting, but midway break, this car is really good at going sideways.
It's actually amazing. Better than I thought it was going to be.
Traction control is still grabbing front brakes like it's completely on.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah, so now we got it fully disabled. It just needed a couple seconds and now you can really slide it. Look at this, look, we'll just pitch it in. And we're full sideways, just like that. Easy, love it, so great.
Look at that.
So sick. This is how everyone should drive to the grocery store in their Model 3. And people say electric cars are boring. Thank you guys for watching. As you can see, Brian is putting my car back to stock because I have no mechanical ability whatsoever. And we learned so much. We learned the Model 3 is an amazing drift car, and I want to see a drifting series with Model 3. Essentially what this means really is you can put some friends in the car, hoon around, put it back to stock, and it should, we'll find out, but it should work perfectly fine as normal. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy your day and subscribe to I1 Tesla.
Now this isn't easy on the car, but it's really fun. Look at the color of those rotors.